Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and I've done several videos kind of like this, but this one's a little bit different. Somebody needs to engrave this picture on an 8x10 plaque, and this is a 5x7 photo. So you could do it two ways. You could do it like this, and she was going to write. She said she was going to have some wording. I actually think it would look better if you had the wording at the bottom. You could also think about rotating this page and putting, the wording here and make the picture look like it's a little bit more part of the plaque to me. Anyway, that's not what the video is about. I ran it through Photograph for this person to try to help them out. I think it's going to engrave pretty good, but you never really know. I don't do a lot of wood. So my suggestion, and I just wanted to make sure she understood, is let's get rid of the frame and just take that picture and make a duplicate of it and put it off to the side. The most important part of any photograph is the person's face. So I would crop with it selected. Have it selected before you get your crop tool, and just crop out that face and maybe even a little bit below so you can see her. Looks like she's won some award. Crop that out and then take that over the laser and run that on a piece of scrap wood. You've only lost a little bit of wood and a lot less time. Then if it looks good, I think everything else will look good. The hands, it's really hard to tell when things digitize like that. This would almost be a candidate for taking out the background, but I like background. I think, especially in this black, this wood in this photograph, and maybe even the shadow are going to actually help in this case. But save time and save a little laser, save a little wood by cropping things out. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.